Hello. So I have two new devices. One is in my hand. It's Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And another one is here. It's Toyota bZ4X. So let's try to pair these two devices. Okay, let's put the phone here. Probably at the beginning we need to turn the car on. Okay. Yeah, so at the beginning we need to pair the Bluetooth. Okay, let's try to press that one, add another device. Okay, now we need to pair. Okay, it appeared. Car Multimedia. So press that one. Okay, here is the number, here is the number. Press pair and press OK. Start Android Auto. OK. Connecting. Allow access to messages. Allow access to contacts. Allow. Welcome to Android Auto. Okay, let's press continue. And that's it, it's paired. As you can see, we can see all the apps. Let's try to open Spotify and let's look if it's playing. Okay, seems everything is working.